In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade futures on IBKR Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find a futures contract, set up an order, and submit it confidently on your phone. Before we begin, make sure your account is approved for futures trading and funded appropriately. Futures are leveraged products, so small price moves can have a big impact. Take a moment to confirm your risk settings, market data subscriptions, and trading hours for the contract you plan to trade. Start by opening the Interactive Brokers mobile app and signing in. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left for the search bar. On some layouts, you may need to pull down slightly to reveal it. The search is your fastest way to access specific futures markets. Type the symbol or name of the futures market you want to trade. As results appear, filter or scroll until you see the futures category. You'll typically see a list of contract months for the same underlying. Choosing the correct contract month is important because each has its own liquidity, tick size, and expiration date. Tap the specific contract you want. This opens its detail page with price, bid and ask, and basic contract information. Take a second to confirm the symbol, exchange, multiplier, and expiration month so you know you're on the right instrument. From here, tap Buy or Sell on the trading panel. Buy opens a long order ticket. Sell opens a short order ticket. If you're closing an existing position, the app will align the site accordingly, but always double-check the direction before proceeding. Next, enter your order details. Set the quantity, keeping in mind the contract's multiplier so you understand your notional exposure. Choose your order type. Mark it for immediate execution at available prices, or limit if you want to control the maximum price you'll pay or the minimum price you'll accept. If using a limit, enter your limit price and select your time in force, such as day or good until canceled. Many traders also add protective stops and profit targets through advanced fields. If you use those, confirm the trigger method and prices match your plan. As you adjust, keep an eye on any margin or fee estimates displayed so there are no surprises. When everything looks correct, tap Submit Order. Review the final confirmation screen carefully. This is your last chance to verify symbol, side, price, quantity, and estimated leverage. After you confirm, the order is sent. You can monitor its status in the Orders or Activities section, modify a working limit, or cancel if needed. Trade responsibly, and always match your order settings to your strategy and risk tolerance.